Alright, what's up everybody? Right now we're headed to Lorenzo Indoor Madrid. We're gonna fix a little 50cc bike today. Boom. What the heck? How'd that happen? Put that back right there. Got the choppers on today. Head out. All right, I'll see y'all when we get there. Right. Indoor Madrid, we here. This is the bike we're gonna be fixing today. CRF50. We got a couple things wrong with it right here. We got the foot peg that. Those things donezo. We got I'm gonna wash it obviously for the greasing, and then some other things too, like the brake feels really weird, and the forks move like, instead of moving up and down only, they move like back and forth. First thing we're gonna do, oh, and also excuse the fan noise, we got the really loud fans in here. First thing we're gonna do is push the bike over here so we can get some good space to work in. Alright, so let's see what we got here. First thing we're gonna need, a new foot peg. I'll take this off right now. Nothing holding it on. Looks like this piece right here is bent. I'm gonna go ahead and bend that back straight. That way I can put I might be able to use the same bolt. The only thing I would need is a pin to go through this hole right here. Spring looks good, and the foot peg's all taped up so that it doesn't rip through the boots. These things rip through the boots real easy, so I tape it up to preserve my boots. Definitely gonna have to bend this back though. And looks like the seat's pretty torn up too. I'm gonna replace the seat as well. Grip, and that's not that important right now. Right now, I'm just trying to fix this thing for functionality so that it works. We're definitely gonna have to get something tightened up at the front end because wish I can show you guys. Let me see if I can show you. The whole front end moves like back and forth when you ride. Oh, look, left and right, it's kind of like something's loose. So we're gonna tighten that up too. First thing I'm gonna do is go back behind here. We got a whole bunch of 50cc Hondas just like this one. And we're gonna, I'm gonna take all the best parts off of those bikes and put it on this bike. I wanna make this one the best one. So I'll head back there right now. So what we need from here is, let's see which seat is the best one. I think we'll take the seat off of this bike right here, and maybe the foot peg. We'll see. All right, I'm gonna go get the tools, the correct tools that we need, and then I'll get ready. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do to take the seat off is take these bolts out from the underneath the tail section right here. Alright, we got this off right now, and 2 bolts out. Looks like we got 1 bolt right here holding the, you can see right there, we got 1 bolt right here holding the seat on here. Hold the seat on right here. And then what else is holding this on? We got so I was able to get these screws out right here. I had to use this big screwdriver in order to get it out. I was trying to use a small one and it wasn't working. After I tried with a flathead, bad idea. But now what we gotta do is take these little, you can see right here, these black caps right here. We gotta take these off. And only on that side. This side's broken, so I'm gonna take that one. It's already off. We'll take this off. Let's see if we can remove it all together. We got this off right here. We got that off. All the other screws. I think the seat should slide off now. Perfect. Slid back, nice and neat. We got a cord peg off. This is the seat that we're gonna want to replace right here. Or I might, if it's easier, I might be able to replace this whole plastic piece with another. This is what the bike looks. We're gonna clean it all up. It's nice and real dusty and greasy. Clean it up, and while I have it stripped down to the bones, I'm gonna figure out which one of these pieces in the front I gotta tighten up. All right, we're gonna clean the bike right now. Just to show y'all, right now I'm using the QM cleaner, total bike. All right, so we got the bike all cleaned up. Okay, so now we got the bike all cleaned up right here. Now what I'm gonna do is start fixing it. First thing I'm gonna work on right now is I'm gonna figure out what's loose in the front end so that I can tighten it up. Because right now, as I'm shaking the handlebars, the front wheel is, you know, shaking, has a lot of play in it right now, from left to right. I'm gonna bend this part back, and I also noticed that the chain is really loose. So I'll go ahead and tighten the chain too. And anything else along the way that I find, I'll go ahead and let you guys know what I'm doing and show y'all. I'm thinking it's gonna be these bolts loose right here, or it could be maybe the axle. Oh wow, look at this. I don't know where that goes. Oh, yeah, that's not supposed to be there. That's not supposed to be loose like that. So I'll tighten that too. And I did notice also, this bike's been neglected. What year is it? 2006. So this bike's 13 years. It's just been neglected. Probably oil never changed. I'm gonna go ahead and put this little gasket back on here because it slid down. Look how greasy that is. I'm gonna put my camera down and I'll go ahead and get busy. We got this little plastic piece off right here to the fork. I think I may go ahead and replace these plastic pieces with one of the other bikes too, because this one's, you know, all rashed up. That way it looks nicer. But I'm gonna go ahead and put this fork cover, this fork seal. I'm gonna slide it up on top of the fork. It's really difficult to get it on there. All right, I finally got it up there, man. I spent a good 10 minutes struggling with it with the flathead trying to get it on there, but I finally got it. Now we're gonna tighten the bolts on the front end. I found out what the problem is. Look at this. This whole, let's see if I can focus. This bolt right here, this whole thing is loose. That's not good, man. This whole front end about to fall off while I'm riding. I'll go ahead and tighten that up right now. I couldn't find a socket or a wrench big enough to tighten this bolt, so I brought out the pliers. Perfect. All right, y'all, so now that we got the bike all set, pretty much, got it all cleaned up, I tightened this bolt right here. Now it's nice and sturdy, not wiggling back and forth anymore. I'm gonna go ahead and replace this plastic piece with a different one so that it looks a little bit better. And yeah, that's pretty much it right now. Once I put the new plastics on this bike, that's when I'll go ahead and adjust the chain on this bike, make it a little bit tighter. And I also gotta get to this bolt right here. I gotta tighten this up. I can actually do it with my hand, I think. Let me see. Perfect, there we go. And I'll get the Allen wrenches and tighten that up a little bit more, but this is to the front brake. I was wondering why it was feeling really sloppy. I'll do some more maintenance on that too. But right now we're gonna go back to the where the 50s are held at, and we're gonna get that bike that we need to change the plastics on.
Todo bien, todo bien. Sí, sí, sí.
Sí, es más profesional.
Vemos que ha subido la categoría, macho.
Sí, sí, sí. I should take the classes off of this new thing, man. What is this? What year is this one? This is the newest one we got. Oh, this is a 2008. It looks newer though. The newer plastics is what it is. Let me see. Let me see which one I want to get. I think this number 9 is the one we checked out last time. I can take the plastics, and this one has these two things right there. These are all red. The other one's got the red and the white. I'm kind of digging the red and white though, even though the white on these are kind of dirty. So I might just go with the red. No, this is an XR. That's why the plastics look different. I'm assuming they'll mount the same though. I think I'll play it safe and take them off this number 7. Good. Not too bad. Let's push the bike back. Yeah. So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the plastics from this bike right here, put it on this bike, and then take those ones and put it on this bike. That way I got the best looking bike in here, man. I got to. Okay, so we got the plastics off of the old bike and we're putting it on my bike. Alright, now we just gotta tighten the bolts on this new bike. The old one's already set, got all the plastics tightened up. We're gonna put that one back where it belongs afterwards.
I don't know what he's saying, but he's right.
Okay, so we got everything on there pretty much. Only thing I'm missing is the foot peg. I gotta get the little pin to put the foot peg on. And right now I just realized if you look closer, you guys can see, the front brake moves up and down. That's not good. So I'll tighten this up too, and I'll get this front brake nice and strong. I'm gonna tighten this bolt right here. And then for the front brake, because it's really like spongy and, you know, not very good, I'll tighten up, you can see, focus. I'll tighten up these two bolts right here and this one too, make the brake a little stronger, because right now it's all loose. That's not good. So we'll do that with the plastics on here nice and good. I'll wipe them down a little bit more, clean them off, and then once I'm done with that, I'll show you guys what it looks like. And then once I get them little stickers on there, it'll officially be my bike. See? Now for the most important part, let's make sure this bike fires up and starts, man. Kickstand up, gas on, choke normal. There's no kickstart on here, so I gotta push start. Let me go out here and push start. Put it into gear.
He's gonna make a loopy-doo.
Right, it works.
So Rob, how was the loopy-doo for you?
It was pretty cool, pretty cool. Thanks. Cool, so the bike works fine. We're gonna go ahead and put it back and shut it on down for the night. Oh, before I put this thing up, I almost forgot the most important thing. The stickers. I gotta throw some of these on here now. So I think I'll do one. I'll do one of them like right here, and then maybe one on either side, the left and right side. All right, now we're talking. Got the Rock Roach 808 right there, the Afro Man. And then too. Boom. And then same thing on the side right here. So I'll go ahead and load this thing up. I'm gonna go ahead and put this thing back where it belongs. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment. And if you like this video, let me know what you want to see more of. Peace.